Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today we're going to be looking at on how you can record your screen on Windows 11. So firstly, you can do it if you have a GeForce Experience. You can just go on recording and turn on recording, and this would start recording your entire screen. And secondly, you can do what I do, and that is use OBS. Now, as you can see, I have OBS running right now to record this tutorial right now. You can just download OBS from the website. Just go to add sources and then add a source called display capture. Once you do that source, your display should be coming up on screen, and after that just press on record, and that's gonna be it. You can record your display on Windows 11. Other than that, if you're using an AMD graphics card, there is AMD Relive. You can use that AMD Relive software to also record, as well as you can also use Streamlabs OBS to do some desktop recording as well. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.